Espinosa, and I'm at the farm of my dad's dad. Of my dad's father.
No.
My dad's father, Lolo. Say hi, Lolo.
Hi, Lana.
No. It's hi, everyone.
Okay, sige na. Oh, continue.
Oh, wait.
Ito ko, so
Wait,
hindi
wait,
ko baklog baka.
Go.
So, this is the cow area. Okay? So, I know I do is say the cow. Cow! Eyes there. Hi, Balud. Okay? Next one is the pigs. Next one is the pigs. Okay, I'm gonna teach you the pigs. The pigs. Oh! Okay, here's the beak. Look at the look at the pigs. Look at the pigs, they're so cute. Look at the pigs. Okay, do you see that piggy masa cutie? Do you see the piggies? They're so an oinky little cuties. So, hey, no. Okay. So I'm putting this little guy back to his house. Okay. You need to go to your mother. Go to your mother. Yeet. Oh, look at her go. That's cute. So those are the cows because they're looking at me. So my dad and his father and I'm gonna see the beautiful. Look at this beautiful view. I mean, the cow poop. And on to the next one. Okay, Junjun, say hi. Junjun, say hi. I vlog. Don't worry with the pigs or the cows because they don't like eye stares. And then I've been vlogging. So based on my grandfather's farm tour, it was very awesome and very aesthetic. And look at the flowers on the tree; they're so cool. And so very aesthetic farm. It's a very aesthetic farm with cute cows, eel in the cow poop, and the cutie little pigs and wait, hey, the doggy, shit, doggy, shit. Okay. Okay, I scared the dog already. Oh, we got a fossil. Oh, it's a Actually, from the solar panels, he already got solar panels, but they're using it as a toy. But maybe we should find out more about this. My grandfather's aesthetic farm with the cutie little pigs, the cow poo, and the cows that don't need an eye stare, and I scared the scaredy dog, and there's that little girl, and then me, my dad, and my grandfather. We'll see you. Bye. We'll say bye to you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to like, subscribe the button, and ring the bell with notifications. And I see you next time on my aesthetic farm tour with my grandpa's aesthetic farm tour. Bye. I also see you again. Boop.